Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So if you are someone who are planning to start building mobile application in 2025, then this video will definitely help you to make the right decision. So in today's video, I will tell you why React Native is still the smartest choice for the developers even in 2025. So now I'm going to share my screen just to tell you the best feature about this cross-platform language. So one of the best thing about React Native is that how easy it is to get started now. See, in 2025, we are now working in React Native Expo instead of React Native CLI. So now if you don't have Xcode, if you don't have Android Studio, still you can build your application, you can run your application on real device. In just few commands, you can create new application. In just one command, you can run your application on your real device. So yeah, it saves actually a lot of time, and especially it is very good for the beginners. They can now focus more on writing code instead of handling all the installations issues. So yeah, anyone who want to jump into new skills without taking much technical headaches, then this language is the perfect for them. The next thing is language. The React Native is using JavaScript, and this language is already used by million of developers. Also, React Native is supporting TypeScript, and TypeScript is very much similar to JavaScript. Basically, if we are using TypeScript in our project, then we only need to define data types everywhere. I personally, prefer TypeScript, but yeah, there is not a major difference between these two. Both are very similar. JavaScript is very powerful language. Why? Because this is far more than mobile development. See, if you have knowledge of JavaScript, then you can do web developments. You can, create desktop applications. You are still in native mobile developments, then you should now choose any of cross-platform language. But why React Native? Because JavaScript has a great future. It is very powerful, and it will definitely give you more opportunities in your future. Another thing is React Native is a cross-platform by default. Cross-platform means that if you have no knowledge of Kotlin, no knowledge of Java, if you have no knowledge of Swift or Swift UI, still you can build your application, right? You just need to learn one single language like JavaScript, and using that single code base, you can build applications for both the platforms, which is good. So the another reason why developer love to choose React Native is that it is very easy to understand. This language is really very easy to learn. See, I switched from iOS to React Native. One thing is that its official website is very well maintained. Even we can find number of YouTube guides. We have number of tutorials. Even number of GitHub repos are there. So yeah, all these things basically helps a lot. Also, thousands of libraries, thousands of stable libraries are available, which we can use as per client requirements. So now we don't need to write everything from the scratch. So yeah, it definitely helps a lot, and it actually reduces development time also. So the next thing is that React Native has component based architecture. Means we build UIs using components. So these components are usable, right? We can use these components in multiple screens. So yeah, these smaller components are actually very easy to maintain, and they are very easy to debug also. For example, if there is any bug exists in a specific components, then you just fix that bug in that component, right? You can fix that bug very easily and very quickly without affecting the entire code. So yeah, this is the benefit of such type of architectures. So the next biggest advantage of React Native is its large community support. See, React Native has a very active and a very strong community support. As all we know that React Native is not a new language, and it is already adopted by many big companies, adopted by million of developers, right? So it is a very well established language. If you ever stuck into something, then you will get help at any time very easily, very quickly. So yeah, also I must say, like, React Native indulged with very experienced developers. So they are actually providing thousands of stable libraries and plugins. so that our implementation of ideas are now very easy. So all these credit goes to obviously their community support. So the another thing that now I want to talk about is its wide adoption by the industries. Now the question is why this language is growing so fast? Why the graph of adoption of this language is growing? See, the team behind the React Native is actually very much experienced, right? And they are often comes out with the easiest way to write code, right? Also, React Native team is providing better performance. Always they are providing new features. And one another reason is that various big companies already using it, like Meta, Microsoft, even Uber, Shopify, even Tesla is using it. So yeah, this language is trusted by many big companies already. So the another reason is obviously this React Native language building applications for both the platforms. We can build Android and iOS applications. So definitely it saves clients time, and it saves client money as well. So yeah, these are the reasons why this language is so popular and this language is growing so fast now. So if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you are already a React Native developer, then let me know your thoughts on React Native Expo and React Native CLI. And if you have any questions, then let me know in the comment sections. So thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.